Hello everyone and welcome to another Radware Threat Bytes. I'm Eva and I'm here to give you the essentials on the global cyber threat landscape in just a few bytes. What is the link between the Eurovision contest, the Olympic Games, and cyber attacks? When many nations come together for global events, political conflicts often arise. Hacktivist groups that are commonly motivated by such conflicts jump at the occasion to voice their opinions. How so? Often with cyber attacks. In the weeks preceding the event, hacktivist groups will issue warning and alerts signaling their intent to disrupt these events. In some cases, they would also launch preemptive attacks to show they are serious. For instance, this year's Eurovision contest was surrounded by several political tensions, with Sweden becoming a full member of NATO, Russia's invasion of Ukraine, and the call to boycott Israel due to the war in Gaza. When the contest started, these threats translated into real cyber attacks. A few examples are the Russian cyber army team attacking the Eurovision shopping site and pro-Russian actors dark meta targeting Swedish transportation. We've noticed a similar trend with the Olympic Games. The cyber attacks targeting the 2020 Olympics in Japan were unprecedented. These brought Japan to be the most attacked country in the world over that period of time. The FBI got involved by issuing a global alert, and the Japan Olympics infrastructure witnessed 450 million cyber attacks attempts. But what is most concerning is the fact that these attacks signified a 2.5 times increase over the attacks targeting the previous Olympic Games in London. The attacks are broad in scope. We see organizations that have no direct connection whatsoever to the Olympic Games being the target of massive attacks. From e-commerce, retail, and transportation to any kind of financial institution, everyone is at risk. This year, Paris will be hosting the 2024 Olympic Games, and we can be sure that we'll see another increase in cyber attacks. Now is the time to be proactive with protection strategies, ensuring all environments, networks, and applications are protected in preparation for these big events. Thank you for joining us today, and please make sure to stay protected.